car diagnostics tool scanner. It reads codes. You can erase the codes if they come up in your car. It'll cover quite a lot of vehicles, this particular model. It comes with a user manual. Read it, because you do need to read it to understand it. So I've got mine plugged in. Once you plug it in, down here is my ports. The actual unit's there, that's it. You can see it's all powered up, and to use it's pretty simple. Just press OK and then it starts to scan. Right, so it's got 4 monitors, 6 monitors, OK. Right, so let's have a look. Right, escape. OK, right, start again. Let's have a look. Enter scan, OK. Scan the vehicle. Right, let's scroll down, read codes, press OK. No codes are stored in the module. I am OK. Destroy cycle. So from everything that I can see, there's fuel consumption. Yeah. So everything's working fine, which is obviously what you want. But when you get a code up, with this, you can obviously erase the code. You need to Google and double check what the code tells you, because every vehicle's different. Yeah, that's cool. So yeah, on this car everything's fine. It's not hard to use. I'm not a mechanic, but I think for what a mechanic charges to use one of these, the machine's paid for itself. So it's nice and small. Keep it in the car. It's really simple to use, and like I say, just plug it in, and once it's plugged in, it'll power up. But you can do definitely quite a few little things with it. And exit, yes, escape, press, that's it. Right, let's have a look. Just double checking if there's anything else I need to find. If I go back, recode, okay, misfire monitor, fuel can, yep, no, everything's fine. So like I said, it saves paying out money to someone to be told what you can find out yourself. Okay, that's it really. Nice unit though, definitely worth the money, and you've got a good instruction book, and obviously you can Google anything that comes up, double check it, and then if it doesn't have to be there, just remove it and it will tell you how to do it with the system. Okay, thanks for watching the video.